Srinivaspur Taluk, 90 kilometers from Bangalore, is known as the land of mangoes. But during off-season, the farmers make a living out of producing tomatoes. The idea behind the making of this documentary is to focus on the fact that the farmers mere lack awareness of technology, the market, government schemes, and still are ignorant.
30 రూపాయలకి 15 కిలోల
15 కిలోలు
15 కిలోలు ఎక్కడ మార్కెట్ లో అమ్ముతారా?
మార్కెట్ వడ్డిపల్లి
పాడైపోయింది కదా కదా. ఏమైంది దీనికి?
పంచట రోగం
ఏం రోగం?
అగ్గి రోగం, ఉర్లిగడ్డ రోగం,
అగ్గి రోగం.
ఆలగడ్డ.
ఏమైనా మందు ఏమైనా ఇస్తున్నారా మీకు? పంచాయతీ చెప్పరా?
విజయ పంచాయతీ విజయ ఊరే
పంచాయతీ ఉండేది మాకు చెప్పినట్లే లేదు.
ఎవరు చెప్పలేదా మీకు? మీకు We are in the village of Kodipalli. Here the tomato farmers are not even aware of the fact that they are provided subsidized pesticides and seeds at lower prices. So now the whole crop is caught a disease and they have a loss of 10,000. If they would have sold, they would have earned around 30 to 40,000. The rates here are around 40 rupees for 15 kilos of tomatoes, whereas the rates in the city are much more higher. आपको मालूम है कि गवर्नमेंट ने इसको बंद करा हुआ है?
वो आलू गिलो को है तो और बंद करा गवर्नमेंट से, तुमने मालूम क्या करें? हमने मालूम
नहीं मालूम कोई बताने नहीं आया इधर को।
कोई आता नहीं।
तो आप लोग अभी भी एंडोसल्फाम यूज करते हो?
अरे ये हमें नहीं कर रही है
और यहाँ पे कोई आपके कैंप लगते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट से कोई आके आपको कुछ भी कैंप लगा के बताए कि कौन सा दवाई डालना है, कितना डालना है, क्या डालना है? कोई नहीं है। तो आप लोगों को कहाँ से मालूम पड़ता है?
दुकान में जाके बोलते हैं, वो देता है दुकान वाला।
अच्छा, लेकिन आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं मालूम? दुकान वाला जो दे देता है आप लोग ले लेते हो?
उसको बोलते हैं ये आइटम को ऐसा।
Yeah, we have not Krishi Vikasa Kendra. We have the Raita Samparka Kendra in Wobbly level, where the farmers can meet there and they get whatever the technical or other information they want. So the media through, see, we have the field stop in each village. We have the field stop. Through them, we'll send the whatever the okay. And otherwise, we will send through some leaflets. Through newspaper we'll publish. Lack of they are unfilled posts. The government should take the action to recruit the posts, the agriculture officers. We not only in Srinivaspur, in other taluks also there are unfilled posts, the vacant posts. That government should decide to recruit the post. Even last week, the principal secretary of the government, even we informed them we have there are many vacant posts here. We should not able to communicate the farmers effectively. We have told already. Some processing unit at least because you see in Kolar that is this is the belt of tomato. They grow used tomato. The cultivation area of tomato is more. At least they should have some agro processing units like that sauce or something units we should have. If those are there, that will be helpful for the farmers. They were just we still until now we did not get any response. The village they asked to so the demonstration, see, they asked to conduct one in a village, by selecting some important or a progressive farmer. Their department should conduct the demonstrations so that all the farmers visit and see whatever the demonstration means, the new variety, whatever the new technology should be adopted there. Should be shown in the demonstration. Okay, that is not like, maybe usually they conduct in a village. Okay, even they make the field day so that all the farmers, they call all the farmers and they show the result. Problem is the field stuff is very less there in Srinivaspur. The Srinivaspur field stuff is very less. In RSK, as I told RSK, that is there in Wobbly level, the contact center. there is no stop. That is the main lacuna.
Farmers are not aware of the appropriate pesticides to be used. Farmers are not aware of the appropriate pesticides to be used. They purchase whatever pesticides the shopkeeper suggests them and remains ignorant of its effects.
Generally, that one danger. I don't have any banned list. No any information from the government.
Giving a seed subsidy and implement sprayers. Needs of the farmer, what is the necessity of the farmer? We are giving
Pesticides and
chemicals, pesticides, and also manures, agriculture, organic manure.
And endosulfan, are they allowed to spray that?
Endosulfan, we are already banned here. We are not, banned means we are not using it in season only. In monsoon season only, it starts from May ending, ends August.